Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus y is equals to 7 and xy is also equals to 7, and we solve this problem for all the values of x and y. So here first we call that this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So we need to solve both of these two equations for the values of x and y. And here first you see that these are the two simultaneous equations, and now for the values of x and y we need to focus on equation number 1. And equation number 1 implies that here we move the value x to the right hand side and we get y is equals to 7 minus x, and we called this is our equation number 3. And now we use this equation number 3 into the equation number 2, and we convert our equation number 2 into the variable x. So when we use this value here, equation number 2 is becomes x times of y. The value of y is 7 minus x is equals to 7. And now we multiply x on both of these two values and we get 7x minus x times x becomes x square is equals to 7. And now in the next step we move the terms from left hand side to the right hand side and we get this is minus x square. When we move it into the right hand side it will becomes plus x square. This is plus 7x becomes minus 7x, and this is plus 7 is equals to 0. And in the next step we have, so you see that this equation will become quadratic equation in x variable. So here we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, and for this first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 7, and c is equals to plus 7. And we state the quadratic formula as in this form. X is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So when we substitute all the values of a, b and c here, this will be written as x is equals to minus b. The value of b is minus 7. It will be written as minus times of minus 7 plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 7 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 7, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So further in the next step we need more simplifications and we get minus times minus becomes 7 plus minus square root of minus 7 square becomes 49 minus this is 4 times 7 becomes here 28, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. And here we need to subtract both of these two values and we get 7 plus minus 49 minus 28 becomes 9 minus 8 becomes 1, and 4 minus 2 becomes here 2. So this will become square root of 21 and it is divided by 2. These are the two values of x which we get here, and now in the next steps we need to use both of these two values of x and we get the corresponding values of y. So for this here first we write the positive value of x. Here it is 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2, and here we write the negative value. It is x is equals to 7 minus square root of 21 divided by 2. And now we copy down equation number 3 here, so that equation number 3 is implies that y is equals to 7 minus x. And here we substitute above both of values of x here and we get the corresponding values of y. And when we put this value of x here, it will becomes y is equals to 7 minus x. The value of x in this case is 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2. In the same pattern, when we put this value of x here, we get y is equals to 7 minus x. The value of x is 7 minus square root of 21 divided by 2. So in the next step, here we need to take the LCM of this term, and its LCM becomes 2, and we get 2 times 7 becomes 14, and we multiply this negative sign on both of these two values, and we get minus 7 minus square root of 21. So we get the value of y is equals to 14 minus 7 is equals to 7 minus square root of 21 divided by 2. This is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is equals to 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2. And now here in the same pattern, we need to simplify these terms, and here we take the LCM of this equation, and we get its LCM becomes 2, and this 2 times 7 becomes 14, and minus this 2 and 2 are gone, and we multiply this negative sign on both of these two values, and we get minus 7 plus square root of 21. So here we get the value of y is equals to 14 minus 7 becomes here 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x is above here. And finally we have there are two solutions of the given equation. So we have the order pair of solution x y is equals to so the value of x is 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2, and the corresponding value of y is 7 minus square root of 21 divided by 2. This is the first order pair of solution, and now here in the same pattern, the value of x is 7 minus square root of 21 divided by 2, and the corresponding value of y is 7 plus square root of 21 divided by 2. So these are the two ordered pairs of solutions, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.